I don't ever want to talk to you guys about money because you guys are rich. You guys are not just rich, you guys are rich, rich. Like you and Cyril Ramaphosa all own McDonald's. All of you were in the crooked places in that Tembisa hospital tender system because you are paying 408 for the week lines, 10 lines to be precise. You guys have my 10,000 on maintenance day. Don't talk to me. No, please. Yan amukela kumqubo yami bomuntu abakadayati bomuntu abakagogo bomuntu abaka-anti bomuntu abakasisi. I am Serms and it's at the right Serms on Instagram. So please follow your sister. Happy Wednesday, you guys. It is indeed a beautiful Wednesday. I say this because our analytics on this channel are insane. Like, you guys gave me like 4,000 views in 2 hours. What do you mean? Thank you so much for supporting this channel. And those who watch without subscribing, why? 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 No, don't do that before I do that to you. So please subscribe. But thank you so much for watching the ads and watching the videos and liking them. It helps a lot. Our analytics are so up. Okay. Yes, it is Mambara week. Yes, I read you. Even the emails you send me, I read the DMs. Yes, I understand. We will have the special during Mambara week. Yes, so the 200 special is on until Friday. Okay, the 200 special is on until Friday. Not businesses. Businesses are 400 during Mambara week. Ne? Please, Mambara week, I help you, you help me, we help each other. But please, let's not take each other for advantageism. Angie Muteka, it is worse because you are currently the deputy president. So English is going to go away. All the education in my brain is going to go away. Angie, I don't know what Cyril sees in you. Please tell me. You were the Minister of Education. Yeah, 33.333%, Angie. Konamanje English leaves us during important days. Then you are the Minister of Defense. Where Angie? Buying pellet guns and water guns instead of Mratat. I don't know what you did as the Minister of Defense because you didn't even do a friendly match between us and Russia just to test if our equipment works. So I can't judge you as a Minister of Defense. But as a Minister of Education, my sister, currently right now you have been sworn in as the deputy president because our president and our deputy president, they are both not in the country. Oh, one thing about Cyril, that liar from McDonald's. This man, did he not say he doesn't know Morgan Maumela? Now he says that he has met him twice. Cyril, yazi wena ungidlelila njengama-go-slow angana flavor. Wena Cyril, ungidlelila. I want nothing to do with you. It's a pity good I have everything to do with you because you're my president, but I'm not voting for you. Upcoming elections, come hell or high waters, my vote is not. You're not going to Sun City. You're not getting a golden ticket, especially from me. Guys, this man responds to nothing, ne? But because South Africa just qualified for the World Cup, guess where he was? Deep in the video. Abafana basebenzile. Shut up. Oh, mina guys, sorry, angimthandi. Ever since I knew he sleeps on top of money, he always lies. He denies. Then he remembers. Angimfuni baba. Angimfuni. Guys, yesterday I almost died. Okay, Bob, Sanlam, they were after me. I was flat out. Even this morning, guys, and Goa. I'm still going through. Like, I think I have food poisoning. That's all I can bring it down to because my friend and I were out on Monday and we ate, Monday, Monday in Soweto, right? We ate something because even her, when she texted me saying, I'm dying, I said, I'm dying too. What I thought was a hangover really wasn't a hangover. It was no, it's food poisoning, guys. I'm suffering. But because I signed up to be your CEO and you guys are always present in our company, I also have to show up. Noma kunzima, noma kukhanya. On today's video, we are talking about the influencer who has social media in an uproar because she spent 10,000 in one day to maintain herself doing the hair, nails, and lashes. Okay, it went up to 10,000. People are like, how now, brown cow? Okay, you telling us that Bonang is bleaching when we just know she just changed the camera from a Mobicel to an iPhone. Please stop that. Okay, stop that. Angelique is so upset. Angelique is so upset. He is so done with podcasters. Nyangizwa. Nyangizwa. Please listen to this name, Rosa Romaru. Huh? Does that not sound iconic? Yes, it does. And guess what she also does? She does beauty, lifestyle, story times. And she is here to give it to you. Okay? It's Vlogtober. Can we support as many of our YouTubers as we can? As we all know that YouTube is a very hard platform. Please go over to Rose. I know you guys do because you guys keep on showing up for all the channels that we plug. And I thank you so much. Please go over there one more time and show her some love and support. Tell her that Sims sent you, okay? Rosa Romaru. Tongue twister.
Dumelang Bolala as well as Sims. I go by the name of Rose Ramaro and I am a lifestyle beauty and storytime content creator. And I would appreciate it if you guys would join this homebody as she navigates her way through content creation as well as YouTube. Note, we will definitely be serving you makeup sessions, cooking sessions, as well as just my day-to-day life.
Hi, Kesana. She has done it again. Our TikToker. And lifestyle content creator has got you guys talking one more time. I think she knows what she's doing, okay? I think she knows what she's doing because tell me why her maintenance day went something like this.
We are going on vacation, and when you see this cap, you know what it means. Full maintenance day loading. The budget is 10K. I headed over to the Gentle Touch in Woodstock. It was my first time there, and I was so impressed with the service. The place is clean, which is a big deal for me, and they were professional, friendly staff. I had to get my hair washed as well as freehand rolls. It was 230 for the hair wash and 480 for the freehand rolls. These were 10 lines, and literally they ate that down. This was a black owned salon, and I'll definitely be going back to get myself a HD lace bust down wig. This was 7K, and when I tell you that this was worth every penny, Lady sells top quality hair. I just love this wig. And yeah, that's how it was looking. I was running a bit late for my nail appointment, so I had to stop right there and head over to Sea Point. I went to Posh. I got my toe sorted out because you guys saw that, like, ghetto. And yeah, but the service was super nice and I enjoyed the pedicure. It was 675 for the pedicure and I paid 380 for my nails. Funny enough, I wanted a whole vacation vibe going on, but I was just like, no, I'm a simple girly. So I started to get my lashes done at Wing by K. I just didn't show that, but this is a hybrid set. This was 450, and yeah, she always eats that down as well. And that's how it was looking. The hair, you guys see that length? It's not even given 20 inches. It's given 30. But period, everything was super nice.
What do you mean wig lines are that much? Guys, I didn't know for a wig. I know a wig can cost a lot, even like in the 20 something thousands. 7,000 for a wig in Cyril's economy. You guys have money, okay? You guys have money. 675 for a pedicure. I believe it when I now see that money is really relative. Wealth is relative. Like 10,000 to me is not 10,000 to you. I really, truly, and fully believe it because, and she's still going on vacation to spend more money. So, Yazin, in times like this, we just say, wow, wow, wow. But social media was like, what? So much money? He, Guys, if you have it, you have it. If you don't have it, I understand that you don't have it. But now, something that I really want us to really and truly talk about is that we have ugly spirits. We have ugly hearts, and we need to pray about these ugly hearts. Because tell me why someone did. You remember Bonang last year, not last year, in 2022. I remember very well because I did a story. She did a Nivea campaign, but she had makeup on. I even did a video, but I was like, how are you doing a skin campaign when your skin is layered, my sister? My sister, please take us seriously. So she just now did a campaign. I think it's L'Oreal, right? She was using the serums. Bonang has such a beautiful face. She has such a beautiful face. Then obviously, you know them, you know them, and you know them, you know where they from, right? You know where they from that place. Someone's like, guys, you just need money, and then they did a side by side comparison, like, bleaching, 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 bleaching. Guys, let's not have bleaching accusations where they don't belong. But we all know, guys. Let's be honest. My skin does not look like my skin from the other time because why? I am now grown-up and I now do grown-up things. Now I know that I need to scrub, I need to serum, I need to tone. I had skin tags. Now I don't have them anymore. Why? Because I found a good esthetician, you know? Like, and then obviously the camera qualities, they change over the years. I just think this is a matter of Bonang now using better products and a better camera. Nothing to know, please, guys. When people are beautifutacious, don't take that away from them naturally. Don't be mean spirited and ugly hearted and be like, hey, shut up, shut up. Uzoloya. Uzoloya, and we don't want many lawyers in this industry. We have enough lawyers. Don't become a lawyer too, okay? The only lawyers that we like are advocates and the ones in the judicial system, okay? Anything other and above that, stop it. Ungayenzi kanjalo ngoba abayenzi kanjalo, and abayenzi kanjalo sizobashaya. Don't be a lawyer. Don't, please. Guys, Angelique is so upset. Angelique is upset because you know what happened, right? You know, Piano Pulse, my colleagues there, they always like rub people the wrong way, especially the artists that they talk about, you know. So Piano Pulse was talking about Angelique, saying that Angelique needs to brand himself better. This is why people don't take him seriously. You remember that Angelique is also a headliner at the Friends of Amstel concert, and the VIP tickets go for like 500 rands. So someone was like, why would I pay 500 rands to go see Angelique when I can bump into Angelique at Maponya Mall? When I can see Angelique at Shop to Shop, and Shop to Shop is right down there. And then people are like, oh, so you're gonna bump into Angelique and Maponya and ask him to sing? Hey, are you gonna ask him when you to sing a Bumnandi for you? Yes, no, guys, don't do that. Angelique deserves more respect than ever. Angelique is one of the pioneers of Amapiano. He's one of the leading vocalists in Amapiano. Every time you don't sleep at home, just know that Angelique is responsible. Every time you've been in a car and you've been doing this, just know that Angelique is responsible. Every time you spend your money to buy groceries at Groove, just know Angelique has been responsible. Every bad decision that you have made regarding groove and music, Angelique is the founder of those bad decisions, okay? So Angelique, but my thing is Angelique also did not listen to the full episode podcast because they also did give him his praises, saying he's literally one of the founders. So Angelique just had that part where they said he needs to brand and place himself better, and it was Fiso. Who's Fiso? Fiso. When? You're gonna go under the jail one day, I'm telling you, because of the things you say. Anyway, so they're like, no, Angelique needs to brand himself better because people don't take him seriously. They take him like Movite when he's actually jungle oat. Angelique wathi, angizwa.
Sifiso, angizitholelanga lezi zinto lezi ezo. Abangiphanga lezi uzazi ezo. Ezo akusimali lezo ozitshontshayo lezo asihlama. Yezo uyangikwatisa uthi mina ngini wena nalamade wakho abothahi nithi ngenzani nale ntombazane engakwazi ukule week uthi nithi ngenzani yini yangijwayela ningizwa aningizwa Sifiso awungizwa and ngifuna ungitshela mawuhlangana nami emehlweni ngisunwe nje yezo ukhuluma lento oyikhuluma yezo ungitshela uthi kimi Angelique uyintwana angazi ngithi ngiyini yezo Sifiso sizohlangana mngani wami.
I'm actually surprised that
Futhi angisingumngani wezinja mina. Yo nina nijwayela abantu abalungile kabi yazi.
position that you didn't feel stuff in the right from that.
Yazi mara yazi. Yazi ungizwe mara ukhuluma iqiniso.
From the technical chief.
Yazi abantu masebangasazi ukuthi babhale ini kulama podcast wabo bavele babone kahle ukuthi balanda umuntu. How just because of umuntu yazitrendela kuma TikTok seniyangilanda manje senizongitshela ukuthi anazi ukuthi ningiplace iphi. Ngithe ningiplace mina. Seniyaplaceana nina nabo Minister of Placement seniyaplaceana Sifiso.
Witness said it's fine, Chair, if that is
Uhlula imali zabantu Sifiso uzonyela mina. Wena Thahi ngizokushaya fail pop undinezwe.
his reply.
And nale ntombazana le yenu le engayazi umnyango wesaluni right. Ngazongiphaphela mina. Mina into engizonibonisa yona Sifiso. Ngizonivala le milomo yenu yezo. Lento uhlala nakuphi Sifiso uhlala phi?
Outstanding. Is illegal and violent.
Nimthatha phi mara Sifiso nimthandani? What do you like about this annoying motherfucker?
We get a response that was given by
You saze sanyelwa abo Sifiso sisaphila. Cabanga sisi wena. Orin bayanibhadala kunomuntu onibhadalayo ministers. Senabo chair nina senikwazi ukusitshela ukuthi senzeni. Senazi ukuthi amapiano abuyapi nina Sifiso. Seniyipiano palace. Yini ipiano palace? Sifiso mara yazi ninjwayela abantu amasimba yazi. Yo mina niyangijwayela serious. Yazi angikaze nje angihambi nalani hamba khona. Angimove nalani move khona. Angicela ima endorsement deals wenu. Angikaze ngathi ngifuna isponsor. Angazi ningifakelani mina. Ukanguzwa ngithi ngifuna influencer dealership mina. Ukangibona mina ngihleli phansi ngifuna nama influencer dealership. Sifiso.
One thing about Soweto James, they don't have time to talk over the phone. He's like, address, kibatla khokho, bonta, titi, bote. I don't do keyboard warriorship. I do face-to-face touching. So, I'm not going to be surprised if Angelique is going to want to go to the podcast like Reason did. Let's talk in the comment section down below. But more than anything, Cyril, you've bored me when. Bodically, you have bored me. Momzimba was a potation. Yes, guys, the special is on. For as long as our channel does good, I will also be kind. But I must benefit and you must benefit. We must all benefit in this Sims Right industry. I thank you. I am so sick. This video just took the last power out of me, guys. So it's nice.